has gone.
What?
Please. I'm not the one that killed you. Please don't kill me, don't kill me.
Is that all that happened?
Yes, please.
Watch out! Richard!
My love, please.
It's okay.
Hey, Jesus.
It is done. Jesus!
Babe. Thank God it was a dream. Wow.
You weren't dreaming.
Jesus! Please now, please. I'm begging, please, don't kill me. I know that you are the powerful witch ever and you don't even fear Jesus' name. Please, I beg, don't kill me.
Don't panic. I'm not a witch and I'm not a ghost. I'm in a coma and I need your help.
Help?
Yes. I want you to help me, please. I'm urging you.
Like, how? I don't get you. How can I help you?
I always find myself getting out of my body. And whenever it happened that way, I always find myself in a different places. And whoever's in my body thought I'm dead.
Oh, okay.
I tried to control this thing. In the process, my boyfriend entered. He thought I'm dead. So with fear, he dumped my body.
What?
Yes.
Wow. Like all this thing happened?
Yes. And that is why I need your help.
Oh, okay.
I can only get back into my body unless my body is at that place where I left it.
Okay.
I'll lead you to my boyfriend, please. And you will help me to talk to him.
Okay. Like how? I don't get you. How will he believe me?
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Okay. Wow. Big time business. Wow. What a business. So this is a business, right? It's a business that we are about to do. So if I do this for you, what will you give me in return?
What is your name?
Alasel.
Alasel.
Alamesel.
Alasel.
Alamesel. Say that again.
Allah say ho.
Allah me self. Say it again.
Allah Messi say ho.
Allah. Me say myself.
So come closer, let me tell you something.
Okay.
You come closer, come closer. Come closer.
Oh my God. I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. Don't worry.
So shall we?
You can go. Yes. Okay. Come to think of it, you can disappear, right?
Of course, yes.
So why don't you make us disappear and get there? That's a shortcut, you know that.
Okay, come to my left.
Actually, come to your left. Like, come to your left.
Yes, come to my left.
Okay. Your left side.
Hold my hands.
Hold your hands. Okay.
Can you please close your eyes for me?
Close. Okay.
Oh my God! Who does that? I won't believe it. I won't believe this. It can never be possible.
What is that?
It's a very tough journey. Is it done?
Yes. His contract has been terminated.
Your contract has been terminated.
Mr. Man,
Your contract
Right.
has been terminated.
please, I'm not here to condone any superstitious sentimentalities from any idiot. Who are you and what do you mean by that?
Who I am is not important.
And what is important?
What is important right now is the information that I have for you.
Mr. Man, will you stop this rubbish? Who are you?
Okay. Your girlfriend is here with me right now as I'm speaking. Becky.
Mr. Man, are you okay? Are you standing here to waste my time or what? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? How do you get to know the name of my girlfriend?
She was the one who sent me here. Okay?
Oh, God.
Okay? She has made me know. You have done her body. You have jumped. You have jumped.
It's okay, it's okay. What you're saying is truth.
Okay.
Mr. Man, who are you?
As I say.
And how do you get to know this?
Okay. Wow.
Are you for real?
Those prophets, they are feeling very good. But prophecy is coming reality.
So.
Tell me more.
What can we do? Tell me.
She'll bring back my body.
Okay. There's a solution.
So how?
She was saying that she is in coma. She is not dead.
Okay. Yes.
There's something that happened. For me, I don't get it.
Okay,
Maybe when she come back to life, she can make you understand.
All right.
Can you calm down? Please.
I'm down already.
Calm down so that I can explain everything to your understanding.
Okay.
Calm down. Okay. For your contract,
Yes.
for you to get your contract back.
Already, I want to get it back.
Yeah.
I want to get it
Can you calm down, please? What is wrong with you?
Okay. I'm listening.
Can you please tell him to be quiet so that I can deliver the information so that I can live peacefully?
Mr. Man, I'm listening. Talk to me, please.
Calm down. I don't want any
I'm already
interference.
down.
I said, calm down. Keep quiet. What is wrong with you? I don't like that. What is wrong with you?
Okay.
I'm the boss here. I'm the one who have seen the lady. I'm the prophecy.
Mr. Man,
I am
can
the
you
prophet.
go straight to the...
Keep quiet. Make her talk. Okay?
Okay.
You have to bring back her body.
How can... It wouldn't be possible. It's getting over to 2 months now.
If you want your contract back, you have to bring back her body to the usual place where you took it from, so that she can possess the body and come back to life, so that your contract can be given to you.
God.
I hope you get it.
I get it. Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
If you can do
Is
that.
there no other thing?
If you can do that,
Okay.
you get your contract back. That's it.
I will do it.
Okay.
I will do it.
Give me something so that I can.
It won't be. That won't be possible.
Because I cannot deliver this message and go back free.
Call your number.
I am the prophet.
Okay, call your number.
55
55.
38 4422.
Okay. It's done.
Are you other bloke?
Hold on.
Master, ask something.
Mr. Man, I'm not staying here with me, please. I will give you something.
I'll come back
Understand?
for you too.
No problem.
I don't joke
No
with
problem.
money.
No problem, bro.
This be the place now. This be the place I give up. This girl want to stress me. This can be possible. 2 months and how will I get to see the body? Which kind of nonsense is this? This is actually the place I don't know. How would I find this body? It won't be possible. And I'm saying it, this guy is talking rubbish. He's talking rubbish, man. This is exactly the place I dumped the body. He's just telling me that he fainted. Which kind of fainted is that? Fainted. Who does that? Who does that? It won't be possible. See it. See it. Nobody is here. 2 months Sunday. And you're expecting me to go and bring her body back. Look at all this. Go to the other man and see the talk say he's done. He's already done. He's done. But nothing is done. Nothing. I see nothing. I see nothing. They just want to useless my life. But it won't work for them. It won't work for them now. Waiting man never see for this life. Like here I keep you. Like here I keep you now. Waiting man never see for this life. Just it's from here now. Take her like this and put it here. But nothing there here now. They just want to useless me. They don't see me finish now. I be waiting now. That one no go happen. No. It's better for me to mad. Rather for me to spend my life for prison. It won't be possible. And it can never happen. Which kind of nonsense be that? Go and bring her body back so that the solution will enter. So the solution will come. It's better I lose the contract, bro. It's better I lose the contract rather for me to spend my life in prison. No!